Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 12 nitrogen metabolism, and today's topic is mechanism of bacterial infection and nodulation. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 12 nitrogen metabolism, and today's topic is mechanism of bacterial infection and nodulation. So topic is mechanism of bacterial infection and nodulation. Students, in previous online class we studied some symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium. Rhizobium two forms to develop nodules in root part of legume plant. Next is introduction of rhizobium. Rhizobium is a gram negative bacteria. Students, all of you studied in class 11th a classification of bacteria on the given by Christian Gram positive and gram negative. Next is rod shape. It means rhizobium shape is rod shape bacterium. Found in soil and induce nodule formation. Students, formation of nodules is a complex process. Formation of nodule is a complex process and it completed in following steps. First, I draw a figure of formation or development of root nodules. First is in legume plant, root part to have a specific tumor-like structures. These tumor-like structures is called root nodules. Students, this is a root part. Second, this is a root hair. Next is soil particle. Next is rhizobium bacteria. Students, the legume plant to secrete a specific glycoprotein lectin. Once again, first step of formation of root nodules, the legume plant root to secrete a specific glycoprotein lectin. The lectin attract to rhizobium bacteria or rhizobium species towards the root. It is first step. It means figure is root hair. This is root hair. Next, soil and bacteria. Once again, root hair, soil particles and bacteria. Next step is when the bacteria, it means rhizobium bacteria, near to legume plant root part. So legume plant root terminal part to convert a hook-like structure. Once again, when the rhizobium bacteria attract to root part of legume plant, so legume plant root part to convert a hook-like structure. This is second step of root nodules. They are bacteria, they are soil particles, and this is hook-like root. Next is, this is figure of infection of root hair by bacterium. Students, this is second step of formation of root nodules. Next, third is the rhizobium bacteria enter to root part, because when the root convert in hook-like structures, the break of root in several parts, so the rhizobium bacteria enter into root part, so entering of rhizobium bacteria, they are bacteria, they are hook-like structures, and the bacteria enter in cortex part and stimulate karyokinesis. It means DNA to show DNA multiplication. Finally, the cortex part of cells to forms to convert a tumor-like structures. The tumor-like structures is called root nodules. They are soil particle, soil particles. Figure is hook shaped root hair, infection third, and last step is cortex part to convert a tumor like structures. This tumor like structures is called root nodules. So this is mature nodule. Once again, first stage in legume plant, root part to secrete a specific glycoprotein lectin, so the rhizobium bacteria to attract towards root part of legume plant. Next, the legume root or root hair part terminal. Once again, legume plant root hair terminal part to convert a hook like structures, because rhizobium bacteria and some plant hormone auxin and cytokinin to secrete a node factor. Once again, the rhizobium bacteria and plant some hormone like auxin, cytokinin to secrete a specific factor, node factor. So the plant root hair or root part break. When the break of plant root part, so rhizobium bacteria easily enter into root part and reach on cortex part of plant to stimulate formation of nodules. Students, a specific acid, indole acetic acid, help in formation of nodules. Finally, the cortex part cells to show karyokinesis only. It means multiplication of or replication of DNA. So cortex part cells shape and size increase and forms a tumor-like structures, a nodule-like structures. It is called mature nodule. So first step is the roots of legume plant secrete a specific glycoprotein lectin. Students, what is lectin? Lectin is a glycoprotein. This lectin attracts specific rhizobium species towards the root. Students, this is first step of root nodules. First step, the root of legume plant to secrete a specific glycoprotein lectin to attract rhizobium bacteria towards root part. Next is second step is under the influence of hormones such a auxin, it is a plant hormone, and cytokinin secreted by plant root and a node factor formed and secreted by the rhizobium bacteria attached to the root hair. So root hair become convert a hook like structure. Students, this is second step. The plant root part to secrete auxin and cytokinin hormones, and rhizobium bacteria. This bacteria to secrete and formed a specific factor, node factor. So plant root hair terminal part become a hook like structure. Third is close the tip of the hook shaped root hair. Next, close the tip of the root hair. The cell wall become damaged. It means breaks, and the bacteria enter into root hair. The bacteria are called bacteroid. Once again, bacteroid. Next step is the plasma membrane of the invaded root hair cells shows enfolding and produce a third like structure called infection. Third, the bacteria multiply inside the infection. Third, next is the bacteria to stimulate karyokinesis, so formation of nodule the size of nodules increase by the impact of indole acetic acid. Students, we studied indole acetic acid in plant growth hormone chapter, and last step is after nodule formation, vascular tissue develops in it, connects with the vascular tissue of the root. It means in this step finally the vascular tissue develop and connect the root part. So thanks, have a nice day.